Birbal, we need to find a minister who can give us predictions about the weathercast.
My lord, I have one man. He's very good at this job. I'll introduce him to you.
You don't need to introduce me, that man. You just give him a job.
Yeah, perfect.
I would love to go for hunting, but I need to know what is the weather forecast for the next 10 days. So, can you just tell me the weather forecast for the next 10 days?
Sure. Dear Lord, weather seems to be very bright and sunny for the next 10 days. You can go for your hunting.
Okay, people, you get the group ready, so we're going for hunting.
Yeah, I'll go and get the equipment.
Oh my dear Lord, where are you heading to in this upcoming bad weather?
Birbal, this man should get punishment because he's given us wrong prediction about the weather.
My Lord, you are my king. You can give me punishment for your order, but weather is playing a big role in my profession. I have to know how the weather is like to make pots, as I am the potter.
My lord, it started raining. We should go back. Before we get stuck in the mud, we should go back.
Yes, you're right. We all should go back now. And make sure you bring the porter man into my palace. I need to ask him some questions.
Yes. Yes, my lord.
Oh.
Yes, my Lord. What's for me?
My question is, how did you know about the upcoming bad weather? When we met you on the way, when we was going for hunting.
My Lord, as I am a porter by profession, I have a donkey. When his ears are bent from the top, that means it's going to be rain in a few hours' time. And weather could get really worse. Because of that, I was aware, and I told you as well. And you never listened to me.
Birbal, bring the porterman donkey and give him the position of a weather forecast minister in my cabinet. And hang the minister we had before because he gave us wrong prediction about the weather.
Okay, my dear lord, I'll bring the...
Dear friends, this lesson teaches us sometimes, a work that human cannot do, even an animal can do. Just the difference is human need to use brain. If a person doesn't use brain, then there won't be any difference between animal and human.